Knife sharpener here that we just got gifted by the brand. Little more sophisticated than the normal sort of just let's just run the knife sharpener down. This is a magnetic thing that shows you the angle that you would like the blade at. So I tested my angle and it needs to be at 20, which is where it is. You set the knife down on the flat surface, so the knife is actually magnetic to that. And then you start off with the higher grit to kind of break out any nicks that you have on the knife first. You're just kind of running it back and forth just like that. And then when you'd like it to do the other side, from the other side, and do the other side. Just like that, handy dandy. See how sharp it is with my ripe avocado here. Yeah, super sharp compared to the way it was before. So excellent little invention, a little bit more finicky than a normal little quick knife sharpener, but certainly you can work with the angle of the knife. So as your knife gets a little bit larger, the angle has to be a little bit more upright. As it gets smaller, you can do it a little bit more flatter. So yeah, excellent. Thank you. Thank you to the brand for the gift as well. And let's go enjoy an avocado.